Trying to keep you guys up to date and all. Wifey called me. Said I had a delivery today. Let's see. Oh, snap. Guess that's the delivery, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? So here it is, right? Here's the knob, man. For my man RC Ohio. You know, shout out to my man Todd over at RC Ohio. Check out his channel. Big things, he got the Vector, he got the 5B, he's in the boats. Real good guy, man. Go check his channel out. Like I said, it's RC Ohio. He'll set you up with one of these, you know. Nice quality, thick. I wish I could explain how thick this is. This is awesome. I like this. Like I said, this takes the place of just the nut. As you can see inside there, the nut goes inside. It's like inset. And a lot easier. I don't have to use my ratchet and everything to loosen this tilt up so that you know, you can tilt the axis stand. And like I said, this is the speaker DIY stand. So if you haven't seen how I made that, check out one of my older videos. I got a little video showing how I made it. But you know, thank you RC Ohio. I appreciate it, brother. And you know, just want to say thanks. Anyhow, where we at? We want to finally get a chance to go do this unboxing. So big box, big long box. Let's get this popping. All right, let's see. Change up my hands. All right. Now, like I said, this decision right here was came from, you know, one of my past videos, really. Dealing with some good guys up in B-More. As you can see, man, right out the gate, y'all see what this is, right? Primal Racing, Primal RC, Quicksilver. So you know that's what that is, right? Yes, sir. That's where we at with it, baby. So we're gonna take this to another level. Let's see if we can get this box open for you. See what kind of parts we got inside here. Hold tight. All right, here we go. Primal Dragster. Like I said, you guys have seen this on other channels and all, but this is the first time I've seen one of these joints, man. Good. Look at over 5 feet long. Look at that, man. Let's see what we got over here. Carbon fiber and aluminum construction. Quick fill gas tank. Zero growth rear tires, which we probably won't be using. And quick change 3-piece transmission with the locker. Cool. That's one less thing I gotta buy. We got over here, we got the ready to run 2-stroke engine. Now the box was open when I got this. I didn't get the ready to run. Mine is the almost ready to run. But I guess they took out all the goodies to make it almost ready to run. All right. So let's see what we got here. Let's open this box up. All right, so we got the Primal gas can, all right? There's a sticker down in here. Yep, Primal RC sticker with the good raminator. All right, so the gas can. We got the slicks. This feels kind of like the Hostile slicks. Like I said, we probably will not be running these. Maybe I'll keep these for practice or something. I don't know. like I said, I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with the BRPs. If I go with the BRPs, these ain't gonna be good for nothing. Maybe I don't know, who knows, I'll use these on, but I doubt if I'm gonna run these, but that is what it is. We got the slicks, got the main body here. I don't see nothing down here. Another Primal, and they really trying to sell this Primal, ain't they? Let's see what we got down here. These two boxes. So it's labeled box number 2. Let's see what this is. See what we got in here. Got the good Zanoa kit. With the wheel nut key, a couple Allens, stuff like that. Let's see what we got there. See what this is. Okay, that's a charger, I guess, for a nickel metal hydride battery. That probably comes with it. Leave that off the side. What else we got in here? We got the pump, hand pump for the fuel tank, and the quick connect fuel filter, I guess. We got in here, got the front tires. Like I said, once again, I don't think I'll be running these neither. So I'll probably just go BRP all the way with this. But it's nice to have, you know, as an option. Probably sell these if I can. If anybody wants them, let me know. Box 1. Box 1. All right. Let's see what we got here. Box 1. Alright, so what is this? Oh, there's the wing. We got the wing. This is the carbon fiber on the sides, and it feels like it's aluminum body. Alright. And this is looks like a carbon fiber front wing. Front spoiler goes on the front of the, you know, the front of the dragster. We got the 2 wings there. What else we got in here? Alright, so these are like the wing mounts and all. Yep. For the rear wing. Got some hardware. Yep. A couple body pins in there. So like I said, this is like the rear wing mount. And looks like that's it. That's in there. And then let's pull out put the stuff away, and I'm gonna see if I can pull this dragster out of this box. Alright, so here we go. It looks like we got some Primal RC decals, good lightning on there and all that good stuff. Don't know if I'm gonna run this lightning and everything, but I probably will end up doing, you know, definitely doing the Primal RC decals. Here we go. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So here it is. This is the Primal Dragster right here. All right, looks like a 54 mil clutch bell. Go over here. We got gear cover plate. You know, got the clear Lexan body. I said this is probably gonna get just a simple metallic purple or something. Maybe I'll go with the, I don't know, chameleon purple paint on there or something. Not sure. But there's a little quick fuel inlet. All right, this is the locker, diff locker in there. All right, brakes probably will get replaced with some RCRs to stop this thing, because after you're going, you know, 50 miles an hour plus and 300 feet, you want to be able to stop this joint. Like I said, this is the almost ready to run kit, so it comes with the steering servo and a throttle servo. Right, it's got the throttle linkage and all set up. You know, let's see if we can get this body off. What it takes to take this body off. Looks like we got a screw here, another screw down here. All right, so we're gonna take this body off so we can see this nice aluminum frame and all, and see what it looks like on the inside. All right, so after about, let's see, I got think it's 1, 2, 4, 2.5 mils screws on this side, 4 on the other side, and then you get 2 more screws here in the front that are 2 mils. Just gonna take this body off. Just be a simple paint job right here. Simple, nice little paint job. Make that one. All right, there we go. Nice aluminum stamped frame, chassis brace, whatever you want to call it. Here's the steering. Nice steering. Let's see. Here's the. Never seen this type of what you call it, hub. I don't know if the how the BRPs fit on that, so I gotta read up on that one. Nice little, push-pull steering on there. I'm actually surprised. I mean, push-pull for dragster, I don't think you really need that, but that's nice to see. You can't even get that, standard on Bajas and stuff. Push-pull system. That's real nice. I like that. I like that they put that on there, but I don't see why you need that for a dragster. But looks good. What else we got back here? All right, so here is the servo horn. Here's a servo. Looks like some. Let's see, Primal number 712 throttle servo. I'm not sure exactly what this one is. I'm pretty sure it's probably similar, but we'll see how they go. And I might upgrade it to the I don't know, some Savox or some Sendits or something. I don't know, so we'll see. All right, it's got a nice little on off here, which has the actually battery's charged. Actually has a little charging port on there, that's nice to see. Like I said, I probably won't be using this either, because like I said, this is probably just a nickel metal hydride battery in here. I'm not gonna take it out just yet, but I'm pretty sure that's all that is. So I'm gonna be going to a LiPo for that. So I'll probably be replacing this switch with a Protect switch or something like along those lines with LiPo protection. All right. We also have the gas tank here. Got the fuel tank here. Has the vent that comes out on the top. It looks like it has a little filter over top of the vent. That's cool. That's nice to see right there. Looks like we have one line here, which is probably, I don't know. Gotta look into it. That's probably the return line. And then you have this other line that's attached here to the quick fuel connection, which looks like it comes out the other side. Not sure which side the clunker's on, but that's probably where the this probably goes into the feed line. So that's what it looks like anyhow. But like I said, we're gonna be going extreme class. So I haven't quite decided what platform, what type of engine to put in here. It's gonna be ALX. That's all I deal with. Nothing wrong with RC Max, you know what I mean? But definitely going with ALX in this. Not sure the size yet. I got a couple engines, over there that I don't know. Maybe I'll put something in here. I don't know. But anyhow, I just wanted to do a little unboxing with you guys. See where I'm at. Baltimore RC, shout out to you guys, man. I appreciate you guys letting me play around with you. I'm hoping that, like I said, I'll be able to run a little bit with y'all. Monster, Fred, Tony, Smurf, all you guys, man. Like I said, shout out to all you guys. And hopefully I'll be seeing you guys soon out there on that asphalt. All right. So just a little quick update, little unboxing video for you guys, man. It's your boy Crucial RC, young. I'm not trying to make this thing too long. And I'll see you guys on the next one. All right. Primal RC, man. Shout outs, baby. Appreciate it.